Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. So I wanted to do a little project share with you guys. I got this idea from Lyric Lover 810, so I'll leave her link down below to this tutorial. She was making these cute little folders. I was like, oh my god, that's super cute, and I thought that would be really awesome for flat mail. So this is what I created using the Terrence Bloom collection from Hobby Lobby, which is this one beautiful collection. So that's what I used, and I used some, I think this is Bo Bunny's ephemera pack, but yeah, I thought these blend in very well, and I think I'm gonna start doing like a couple of these flat mail and just send it in randomly to some of my subscribers. But I thought that was really neat, and it fits perfect in those Dollar Tree envelopes. This is what I created. Super adorable. When you open it up, this is how it will look like. The folder here. So I did some handmade embellishments and some goodies in here. So this right here is actually from Michael's, the $2 bin. This is brand new, but I just took them out and put it in a paper that coordinates with the collection. And then here's just some alpha letter stickers. There's this gold one, a white one, and some other stickers in here that I packaged up. And here's another chipboard sticker, super adorable. And I'll just stitch the top. And this is how the folder looks like. I thought that was really neat. What a fun way to do some flat mail. On this one right here, I actually used my butterfly dies. Cut these out. I thought it looks really nice. It coordinates very well with the whole theme. And then of course, a doily. You can never go wrong with doilies. I have some doilies in there. And I love these cute little flowers and butterfly from the DT. I love using these, and I thought that maybe whoever that received it would like them too. And I just embellished the top. So this is how the inside looks like. So I thought that was a really fun way to send rack to your friend and goodies too. That's not really expensive in shipping, but that was a really good idea. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Prefer to take care, guys. Bye.